A great idea for practicing your letters and numbers is to make some slime. So we're going to make some green slime. All you need is a baggie, and then you need anything that's ooey and gooey to put inside. So some people use clear hair gel. I didn't have any clear hair gel. You can use something like hand sanitizer, which is kind of like gold right now. So maybe don't waste your hand sanitizer, but it works and you only need a little bit. You can also use hand lotion. That works. Anything ooey gooey. You can use also, like I'm going to use, you can use shaving gel. So you just squirt some into the baggie. See, it doesn't need very much. And since I want mine to be green, I'm going to add in some green food coloring. This is food coloring gel. Regular food coloring works, or even a little bit of paint. So you just put in your green and then you close up your baggie. And then this is the fun part. You just squish it around. You can see that it's turning green. Okay, so when you get it all squished around, the next thing that you need to do is you need to open up the bag and just let all the air out. Okay, and then close the bag again. Now, an idea for helping little hands to hold this is to put it on the clipboard, and then you can spread it around like this. If you don't have a clipboard, you can even tape it on the table. That just helps little learners to be able to hold it better and for it to stay in place. So now this is the fun part too. You can just practice some numbers. What number is this? It's number 1. And if I have any little learners present right now, can you tell me what number or what letter this is? It's letter M, and this activity is part of my M is for Monsters circle time if you want to watch that later. So this is how to make some green slime, and you can use it to practice writing today. Hope that was a fun idea to help you to learn. See you next time.